Hi guys, today I'm back with IELTS important cue cards. These seems very important because these all are reported by the students who appeared recently in the IELTS speaking part 2 or part 1. So before starting this video, part 2 is basically related with the cue cards. So I will just mention the cue cards here. So I'm just mentioning here for the cue cards, not a part 1 questions. I will definitely come up with the part 1 questions very soon. So if you are new on this channel, then please do subscribe this channel, and if you are already my student, then if you have any question, any query, please write me down in the comment section. And also you can also reach me out on the WhatsApp group, or you can also email me getsuccess66@gmail.com. Now let's get started without wasting our time. And if you want to do free speaking with me, again you need to subscribe my channel. So very first, describe a person you know who is from a different culture. So very important, the person you may know from the different culture. Sometimes we do not know about the person that is from the different culture, but you need to make a story. If you are good at that, that's very good. If you are not, then let me know. I will make a story for you. Okay, so who is he or she, where he or she from, and how you knew, or how do you know him or her, or explain how you feel about this person. Okay, so this is the first question, is very important, seems. So from the previous students reported me that twice and thrice repeated, so please work on that. And now second one, that related with this, you can also prepare the question how we can get to know the people from the different culture better. Okay, so this is the another important thing you need to prepare while preparing this cue card. So moving forward to the next, but before that, if you are new on this channel, then please do subscribe this channel. And if you want to do free speaking with me, then please, again, you need to subscribe this channel. Without, if you're a free speaking is only possible when you subscribe my channel. Describe a fashionable person. Next important question, describe a fashionable person. Who is he or she, what he or she does, which type of, sometimes people are fashionable with the clothes, sometimes people are fashionable for the shoes or some hairstyle, some cosmetics. So what, okay, what about that person you know about fashion? Okay, how he or she is popular, and what kind of clothes do they wear? Explain why do you think this person is fashionable. Okay, so this is another story you need to make it. If you know a person, that's very good. If you don't, then you need again a story for that. If you are good at that, then very good. If you are not, then please write me down in the comment section. I will help you out for that. Next, again related with this question, you need to again understand, do you think online shopping will replace store shopping in the future? Right? Why? If you say yes, if you say no, then give the reason. Okay, now third and last, very important, describe a time when you had an argument with your friend. Again, very important, describe a time when you have an argument with your friend. So when it happened, why you argued, and how you resolved this argument, and explain how you felt about this experience. And next, last but not least, what do you do if you disagree with someone, or how do you stop an argument from escalating into a fight? Into a fight. So how do you get a precaution? So these all are the important cue cards. If you already done this, then very good. If you're not, then please write me down in the comment section. I will help you out. Or you can also reach me getsuccess66@gmail.com, and also you can write down in the WhatsApp group. And if you want to do free speaking with me, again you need to write down in the WhatsApp group, and also you need to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.